Hello. Okay, so this is the potential eye makeup here. I know it's a really big wing, but we can tone it down a little bit if we need to. So this is just going to be a little tutorial kind of showing you exactly how I did this. And so here we go. Okay, so first I've already started I already have a eye primer on. I did use the Urban Decay primer, but you can find any kind of really cheap primer at Walmart or CVS. It's just an eye primer. And first I started off by using this color here. It's just a light beige color. It's got a little slight shimmer in it. Take a little bit on a fluffy brush, and I just kind of put that all in the crease. Just gives it a little shimmer, kind of a little transition color here. Okay. Next thing is a light brown with this brown here, a light taupe. Get a little bit on the same brush. And I just put it in the same area here. Just really blend it in really nicely. Okay, and now we want to make it slightly darker, so we'll just go with a slightly darker brown now. And just going in the same area here. Okay, just really blending that in. You want to go all the way to the inside crease and all the way to the out. Okay, here we go. To the more maroon area here of this. So we're going to mix this here. It's kind of like a brownish maroon. I'm going to mix that with this color here. So it's like a lighter maroon. Kind of mixed them together a little bit. And then I'm going to change my brushes. Get a more stiff fluffy here. Kind of mix them together. Knock it off a little bit. And just blend it out on that outer corner there. And it's better to just build the color. Don't start off super dark because it's easier to go darker, not lighter. Okay, so we'll take the darker one and add a little bit more. And kind of like going up and in here. Pulling that into the center a little bit. And pulling it down all the way to the lash line. There we go. Okay, and next, just to darken it up here at the lower corner, I did add a little bit of just black. So we've got this dark black here. And I'm using a little brush, little accent brush here. Just getting a little bit on the brush and just putting it right here in the bottom corner. Just kind of blending it from the bottom of the lash line here to the side and up. See that? Okay. You can take that last brush that we used and just blend it in. Don't have to use any extra product. Just blend what's already on there. Okay. Next is our gold area. So I'm just using the e.l.f. Long Lasting eyeshadow. It's creamy, so it really sets on really nice. And I just use my finger because it gets more on it. So kind of just go in here. And this is like $3. So get a good amount on the finger here. And just go from the inside and pull it out to the center. And go in the inner corner in the eye as well, and pulling it down below. You grab a little bit more. Okay, and just like that. And this is a Bare Minerals loose gold, but we don't have to use this. We can just use the e.l.f., but this is just going to make it a little more gold. See how this one's gold and this is more like a light? So this is really gold. There. And just take a little packing flat brush here. Get a good amount of product on the brush. And just lay it on top of that. Since that e.l.f. eyeshadow is creamy, it'll lay on it really nice and stick. There we go. So since that gold did kind of come up on our maroon here a little bit, I am going to go back with that brush and get the darker maroon and the lighter maroon, mix them together, tap it off, and just bring it back in. Kind of go back over that gold there. So you've got that maroon coming all the way into the corner here. Okay. Get just a touch of black and blend it over top just to darken it a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to be doing the bottom lash line here. I have a nice smudge flat-headed brush. I'm taking the same colors we've been using on the top here. So taking the dark maroon with the light, and I'm actually blending them all three together, the dark maroon, the light maroon, and the black. So blend all three together and just go right under the lash line. Kind of blend it up on the side and all the way in. There is that. Okay. Now for our liner, I've used the Maybelline Master Graphic. It's really nice. It almost looks like a Sharpie. It's like this right here. It's got a nice point to it. So, and it's liquid, so it's really easy to put on. You're just going to start in your corner here. Work the way out. Out past that corner. You're going to put the tip of the marker here and just pull it out. And come from the top and pull down. Okay, so now I've got our wing. And lastly, you just want to do some touch-ups. So I'm taking that same brush that I used for under the eye here, our little smudge brush, taking that darkest maroon and just drawing it all the way into the tip of that liner and then pulling it in. Right. And then for my highlight color here, I'm just using this nice beige shimmer here. See that color? Using that same smudge brush, wiping it off a little bit. Just taking a good amount of that color and just going right under the brow bone here. Going all the way in and all the way out to that tip there. And I did also put some right below the liner. I am just going to define my brow a little bit, so I am just using the little brow kit here with a flat-headed angle brush, just dabbing that in there, just kind of to get filling them in a little bit. It's really all I'm doing is just filling them in. There we go, that's it with that. And lastly, mascara, mascara, mascara. We are going to wear lots of mascara because eyelashes are the best. So you can get whatever mascara you want. I actually just started using this. Works pretty good. It doesn't really have fullness to it, so I usually put about 1 to 2 layers on, and then I will double it up with some of this here, just really depending on how much I want. So I do actually already have a coat on from earlier. So just go ahead and put at least 2 coats on and just letting it dry in between coats helps lengthen. And if we need to, we can do false lashes. We don't have to, but we'll just see how it goes. Just a work in progress here. Always put mascara on the bottom lashes. Right, so there was one wet coat. Let it dry a little bit. You can fan it, speed up the process. Now I'm going to go with the Falsies Push-Up Drama. And I'm going to do a coat of it. This really helps with lengthening. Alright, so there are the lashes. I obviously didn't show you the face part. It's literally just foundation, a little bit of contour, maybe a lot of contour, bronzer, cheek, highlighter. We will have a lip color, not sure what color yet. Maybe do like a natural beige brown color, something along the lines of maybe something like this. I got this at CVS. It's just a matte cream lipstick. It's really nice. So maybe we'll do something like that. Okay, girls, so here is the final look. I did just put that NYX color on that I showed you, beige. It's super natural. We can go a little more dramatic. I figured the more neutral lip is preferable because we have such a dramatic eye. So this is the look. So really the only colors you're going to need are gold, black, 2 shades of maroon, and that's really about it. And then just a little highlight color on the top, so just like a little shimmery champagne color. And then just your eyeliner and mascara, and of course your foundation and blush and bronzer. So that's all you're going to need for this look. I hope you guys like it. I'm super excited. I will see you guys on Tuesday. So practice, practice. I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye, girls. Oh, and by the way, go Panthers. Boom! A light brown. I forgot what I was going to say.